So we just used Monument Hobbies primers. And now we've got Monument Hobbies dark blue. And again, I'm going to take a big step back. And I'm basically just going to repaint this guy dark blue. Very light and consistent. I'm keeping my finger on the trigger. And just wrapping him in one continuous sheet of blue. And just letting it all build up at the same time with a nice big cone of influence. We'll take a little of this transparent blue. This has got mad saturation. Some transparent blue in the pot to really blue it up. A little bit more, even more saturation than what you've seen. So I just want to kind of give it a nice kiss of this mix real quick. We're going to add straight turquoise to the mix, and this is going to make it brighter. Okay? I'll start down here. Jump down, invert, and let's start down on his chest. Let's get this pauldron. Nice and easy. A little bit more turquoise. Super tight. Stacking a little bit more opacity. Nate, we're gonna go harder. Okay, we've got this is just a bunch of water in the pot mixed in with the residuals, more white. I'm gonna throttle back. And what I want to do is I want to get a little bit tighter right here. A little tighter, a little brighter. Let's get a little wetter. Whatever's left is left, you know what I'm saying? A little sky blue. Okay? Which is, it's just a little bit, it's off cyan. It's not quite cyan. But if you take a little transparent blue and mix it in with the sky blue, you get a pretty nearly perfect cyan. And so what we'll use is just a very small amount of this to filter up a little bit. Now, a lot of people would paint this guy black and white and then just glaze the one blue over it, but what you're left with is a monochromatic sense of blue. And what we have is a very complex blue with a lot of action. And I'm just basically taking the whitest parts of the model and taking them back into that cyan spectrum, while keeping all the complexity of our turquoise, transparent blue, dark blue. Beautiful. Opaque, a little wet. Just kind of darken up this transparent blue lifestyle. And I think here on the chest, it's going to look real good to get just a little, because we already did a faint transparent blue line here. But you see, we're going to just do a heart pull right there. We're just keeping it semi-opaque and a little wet. Rotate back, get the tip of the brush here. Right there, see that nice, crisp, dark line. Let's get in there. Little eraser tool. Kind of connect the dots right there. Based on personal aesthetic choices.